opening. Okay to enter. Doors closing. Please stand clear.
This is the north elevator at Great Wolf Lodge in Sandusky, Ohio. Here, 1, Otis Series 1.
Doors opening. Okay to enter.
4.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Let's look out the window. Here are 4.
Doors opening. Okay to enter.
Little 1.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
2,500 pound capacity. Here are 1.
Doors opening. Okay to enter.
So 2.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Here are 2.
Doors opening. Okay to enter.
It's not going to close, so that'll be it.